Making Duchess sweet potatoes is a great way to surprise your guests and family when entertaining. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil, and then peel your sweet potatoes, and then today I'm going to mix it up with adding in some regular potatoes as well. Cube up your potatoes and your sweet potatoes, then place them together in a bowl to carefully drop them into the boiling water. Cook them until both the sweet potatoes and the potatoes are fork tender, and then strain out the water. Use a potato ricer or a potato masher to make sure that both the potatoes and the sweet potatoes are nice and mashed. While still warm, add in your butter, some spices including salt, garlic powder, nutmeg, and cinnamon, then add in an egg, some Parmesan cheese, and mix everything until nice and smooth. Equip a large piping bag with a large star tip, and then place some of the mixture, not all of it, a little bit at a time in the piping bag. Hold the piping tip about an inch over the prepared baking sheet pan, holding the bag vertically, and then pipe out all of your Duchess sweet potatoes. Pipe 12 on each tray, and then bake them until nice and golden brown. Let them cool for 10 minutes and you're ready to serve. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.